Portable solar power bank. Benfiss. Package contents: solar power bank, user manual, micro USB cable, carabiner, 2.1 amp USB output, micro USB input, solar panel, power button, power indicator, compass, 2 LED flashlight. Connected your device to the power bank with compatible cables. How to charger the power bank. 1. Connect the power bank to a wall charger with the included cable. The blue light will flash. 2. Place the power bank under the sunshine. The charger work will start automatically. The green light will flash. Benfiss solar power bank is equipped with 2 LED lights. Press the power button to turn on or off the flashlight. The flashlight status will change by one press: normal, SOS, strobe, IPX4 splash-proof, shock-proof, dust-proof. The USB protective cover on the power bank can be cleverly used as a phone holder. Steady solar panel, the included carabiner making it easy to hang it on your backpack. Benfiss solar power bank will be a clever partner when climbing, camping, running, business trip, or in emergency cases. It is also an awesome gift for your family or friends who loves outdoor enthusiasts. 1 for 7 Benfiss power bank, USB charger power bank, emergency solar charger, dual flashlight, compass, carabiner, USB cable, waterproof, shockproof design. We use the safest battery material and packaging technology to totally protect your safety. Benfiss solar power bank has passed UL 2056 test and ISO 17025 standard. Benfiss.
From the laid-back country to the bustling city, a long journey. I need to take a break as my partner on a long journey. I'm very guilty that I did not trade it well strong enough. During the rest process, I would charge my device.
Yes, it is a 10-watt wireless charging function. I usually stay out late. The farthest range can reach 40 meters. Click the power button to switch between strong light dim, light flashing, warning, SOS mode, which helped me a lot. It supports 2 input modes, micro and Type-C. If your adapter supports 18-watt power, it can be fully charged in 10 to 12 hours. I am very satisfied.
crush-proof safeguard against rain, snow, or water it dives in accidentally. It's also crush-proof and shock-proof, so it can survive a 1.5 plus ton crush and a 10-foot plus drop. OUTXE W20 is designed with 3 light modes, strong, weak, and SOS, for different circumstances. With the built-in solar panel, the OUTXE W20 can be recharged at any time outdoors for emergency usage. In addition, the optimal mini solar charger, foldable and portable, can be hung to save space, and you can get extra power on the way. An adventure combo is available as an option. All accessories are enclosed in a protective carry bag. They include an OUTXE W20, a mini solar charger, a dual port wall charger, 2 supporting cables, and 5 safety lock aluminum carabiners. Get an OUTXE W20 for a pledge starting from €44 on Kickstarter. Back us now and get ready to power your adventure.